The R vowel, our last major vowel, using a lip opening like that for the three, aw, but just the shape, not the sound. Sound the R as in read, read, but use that number 3 shape. Marlene, a little bit bigger opening. Use a lip opening like that for the number 3, aw. A little bigger opening.
Aw.
That's it. Use that stretch. Aw. Now just the shape, not the sound. We're going to sound the like read, read, read.
Read.
Now use the number 3 shape and sound the R. Shirt, work. Commonly mispronounced as
I wore a clean shirt to work.
I wore a clean shirt to work.
I wore a clean shirt to work.
I wear a clean shirt to work.
I wore a clean shirt to work.
I wore a clean shirt to work.
I wore a clean shirt to work. I wore a clean shirt to work.
There's not enough R sound. This is another vowel that tends to go back in the throat. And then it sounds bad even if there is enough R. So use that number 3 shape, good stretch, good structure, and sound the R well forward. Shirt, work. Shirt.
Shirt.
A little more stretch, Barbara, so we're really stretching everything forward and getting nice round shapes. Shirt.
Shirt.
Work.
Work.
Right, and we're feeling all of that vibration coming forward, right? So we feel that sound on the hard palate. This sound goes back in the throat very easily, like right? We don't want it back there. We want to feel it forward. Shirt.
Shirt.
Work.
Work.
Shirt.
Shirt.
Work.
Work.
Good. Work. Shirt. Her. 30. 13. Curly. Bird. Earth. Girl. Skirt. Stage 2.
Work, shirt, her, 30, 13, curly, bird, earth, girl, skirt.
Stage 3. Work, shirt, her,
30, 13, curly, bird, earth, girl, skirt.